Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Honorable Maji Solomon. Right now, I am going to teach cutting or stem cutting in the field of artificial vegetative reproduction in asexual reproduction in biology. Biology topic: cutting or stem cutting. Cutting is the act of cutting the stem of a plant into portions. Then you start planting those portions so as to get new plants. Cutting is the act of cutting the branch of a tree into portions. Then you start planting those portions so as to get new plants. Cutting has to do with the cutting of the root of the plant into portions. Then you start planting those portions. The act of cutting the root of the plant into portions. Then you start planting those portions so as to get new plants. If you want to get new plants from the parent plant, what do? You are to cut the stem of the parent plant. You are to cut the branch of the parent plant. You are to cut the root of the parent plant into portions. Then you start planting those portions so as to get new plants. As you can see, this is a cassava plant. This is a cassava plant, parent plant. This is a parent plant. And you want to get new plants from this parent plant. You want to get new plants from this parent plant. What are you going to do? You are going to adopt this method called cutting or stem cutting. As you can see, this stem, this cassava stem has what we call bud. Look at the bud. Look at the buds. Look at them. Look at them. Look at the buds. This is a bud. This is a bud. Look at the buds. Look at them. Okay, now what we are going to do is to cut the stem into portions. We are going to cut this stem into portions. As you can see, this bud is useful. It's useful in the sense that as you can see, I have cut this stem into 1, 2, 3, 4, into 4 portions. Leave the remaining part. Just leave it. Don't cut it. Leave it so that it will regenerate. Alright? Leave the parent plant. Leave the stem. The one underneath. Leave it so that it will regenerate. Okay? Carry this one, this, and this. You can plant them so as to get new plants. You are looking for new plants. What are you going to do if you are looking for new plants? You can adopt this method called cutting. You can adopt a method called cutting or stem cutting. Cut the stem of the plant into portions. Then you start planting those portions so as to get new plants. This portions, as you can see, it has buds. Look at the bud. Look at the buds. When you plant these portions, they will germinate because they have buds. They have buds. They will germinate. They will germinate when you plant them. Cutting is not restricted to stem cutting alone. If you cut the branch of a tree into portions, you can plant those portions so as to get new plants. You can cut the root of the plant into portions. Then you start planting those portions so as to get new plants. As you can see, I've been able to get up to 4 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a cassava stem cutting. This stem is cut into 4 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave the remaining part so that it will regenerate. Okay? Then you can plant this, and this so as to get new plants. And the new plants are called cassava plants because you have got the portions from the cassava. Those portions will germinate and you have succeeded in getting new plants. Thank you so much.